Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is potato braised roasted duck. Hope you like it. In traditional Chinese culture, ducks symbolize happiness and beauty. Since and have the same pronunciation, which means living and working in peace and contentment, ducks are often seen as a symbol of good wishes. Potatoes have a unique meaning, representing the close love for relatives and friends, pure and sincere friendship, and affection between two people. They are a common food on the table. When guests come to your house during the Chinese New Year, in addition to serving various delicious dishes, don't forget to stir-fry a dish of potato delicacies. Ingredients: potatoes, roasted duck, celery, ginger. Peel and cubes potatoes. Fried or air fryer potatoes cubes until golden brown. I air fryer potatoes at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. Air fryer degree and duration to adjust per your air fryer model. Peel and cut celery into section. The peeled celery tastes more tender and crispy. Chopped celery leaves and set aside. Sliced ginger. Stir-fry ginger and chopped garlic until fragrant. Add roasted duck and stir-fry. Add potatoes cubes. small bowl of water. One teaspoon soy sauce. One teaspoon pepper powder. Let it simmer for approximately a minute until the sauce is absorbed. Add black soy sauce to add color. Add celery and stir fry. Stir fry for a minute if you like crunchy celery texture. Smells so good. Place lettuce slices on place. Pour potato braised fried duck on top. Garnish with celery leaves. This braised duck with potatoes is so delicious that my family and I ate it all in one go. For friends who like to eat braised chicken with potatoes, this recipe will definitely satisfy your taste. It is really delicious with potatoes. This dish is simple and easy to make. Make this dish as part of the New Year's vegetable recipe and share it with your family. There are more CNY delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them out too. Also, I'll be sharing new CNY delicious recipe. Follow me now so you won't miss them all. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I found some information about ingredient of this recipe on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. Potatoes contain a lot of starch, protein, B vitamins, vitamin C, etc., which can promote the digestive function of the spleen and stomach. Potatoes can also lower blood sugar and blood lipids, promote the digestive system, maintain the elasticity of blood vessels, and help prevent the occurrence of atherosclerosis. Potatoes are also an alkaline vegetable, which is beneficial to the acid-base balance in the body and neutralizes the acidic substances produced after metabolism in the body, thus having a certain beauty and anti-aging effect. People who often eat potatoes are healthy and age slowly. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Yeah.